One word of warning for the characterization family: flaw questions. These questions can allow for strong anticipation, but just be a bit more cautious. You will likely be able to strongly anticipate the flaw in an argument, but that flaw will likely be expressed in different ways. Let's look at an example. Consider an argument with conditional logic, something like, all cars have wheels, so this wheeled object must be a car. We can strongly anticipate the flaw. Having wheels is a necessary condition for cardom, but not sufficient to guarantee an object is a car. The correct answer could certainly describe the flaw using the terms necessary and sufficient. However, it could also go in another direction. It could also read something like, the author overlooks the possibility that objects other than cars can also have wheels. Same idea, different words. This is actually a very important point about strong anticipation. It's not always about knowing the exact words that will be used. It's about knowing the exact idea to look for.